Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use long-tailed keywords to improve SEO and increase visibility on Google. So long-tail keywords are longer and more specific searches or phrases that people use when they already know what they're looking for. And these keywords are important because they usually have less competition and attract more targeted visitors. And by the end of this video, you'll know what long-tail keywords are and why they matter and how to use them effectively in your own content. Okay, so what are long-tail keywords? So long-tail keywords are phrases that usually contain 3 or more words. For example, instead of using the broad keyword like travel tips, you can use a more specific keyword like budget travel tips for college students in Europe. And the second example is considered a long-tailed keyword because it targets a specific audience and their needs. And people searching these detailed phrases are often closer to taking action, such as reading an article or booking a trip or making a purchase. So why do long-tail keywords matter? So long-tail keywords are important for SEO for several reasons. So the first of these is that they are less competitive than broad keywords, which makes it easier for smaller websites or new blogs to rank on Google. Second, they attract users with stronger search intent, which means the visitors are more likely to click on your content because it matches exactly what they need. And then third, the long-tail keywords can improve click-through rates and bring more organic traffic to your website, which they also work well for voice search because people often speak in full questions or detailed phrases. Okay, so how do you use long-tail keywords? How are you supposed to use them? So step 1, you research some keywords. You start by using tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush or even Google Search Suggestions. And then you type a broad topic into Google and then look at the autocomplete suggestions or the people that also ask section. Step 2, you're going to choose a specific phrase, which means you select keywords that are specific and relevant to your audience. Instead of like fitness tips, you try something like home workout tips for busy college students, which is longer. And then step 3, you use keywords naturally. You place your long-tail keywords naturally into the important areas like the title or the heading or the meta description or the first paragraph, and then you avoid keyword stuffing because Google prefers a natural and helpful content. So now let me begin by giving you like a more practical example. So let's imagine you run a student travel blog and a broad keyword would be travel tips, but a better long-tail keyword would be budget travel tips for college students in Europe, like I said before. This works better because it targets a specific audience, and then someone searching this phrase is probably a college student planning an affordable trip in Europe. And then using this keyword can improve Google's visibility, increase click-through rates, and attract more organic traffic from users who are genuinely interested in the content. And it also improves the user experience because the readers quickly find information that matches exactly what they search for. So when using long-tailed keywords, what are some common mistakes that you should try to avoid? So one common mistake that beginners make is keyword stuffing, which means repeating the same keyword too many times. And then this makes the content sound unnatural and it may hurt SEO ratings. But another mistake is choosing keywords that are too broad and competitive. Like, instead, focus on creating useful, high-quality content around your specific search area. All right, to finish it off, I'm just gonna have a final recommendation, and my recommendation is that long-tailed keywords are a simple but powerful way to improve SEO, and they help websites rank for specific searches, attract target audiences, and increase organic traffic. And if you are creating content online, using long-tail keywords strategically can make your articles more visible and more useful to readers. Thank you.